Do you want to know the one question that's making creators more money right now than anything else? A question so powerful you want to implement it in all of your content? A question that I'll explain in the next 2 minutes? Would you like to know that question? Of course you do! Selling more feels good, and not needing sales goals to sell more feels even better. Hi, I'm Jordan Parker, the guy creators come to when they need to scale their business. I'm making those videos to help you scale your business to hundreds of thousands of dollars per year so you can join my clients and pay my egregious consulting fees. Enjoy. Now, before I give you the question, a fair warning. Once you learn it, you'll never be able to write or say anything without using it. It is that freaking powerful. So, here's the thing about making money online. Most creators are amazing at making content, but they're terrible at explaining why their audience should care about whatever they're selling. Everyone is selling lots, Notion, content calendars and courses, but people don't give a shit about lots, content calendars and courses. They're far too busy for that. This is where the question comes in. We will fix everything with 2 simple words. So, what? Sounds a bit underwhelming, right? Don't worry, I'll show you how it works. Imagine you're selling a community for creators. Your website says weekly group coaching calls for the best creators. People will read your website and ask, so what? I don't care about coaching calls. So in those group coaching calls, you'll learn directly from experts, me and everyone else in the community. So what, I'll just learn a few things? So you will avoid stupid mistakes that cost all of us time and money. So what, I'll just save a little bit of time and money so you can build a profitable content business in months, not years. Oh, now we're cooking. See how much stronger that is and how much better it will sit on your website compared to group coaching calls? Speaking of building a profitable content business, if you want to scale your content business, my emails at Creator Income are the only business emails for creators. They're packed with insights that will help you make more money and have more fun. Link below. But back to our example. This isn't just about saying things in a better way. It's about truly understanding what your audience wants and needs. Because people don't want to pay for your cool things. People want to pay for a change in their life. People buy that. So here's what you do. Take anything you're selling, write down what it does, then ask so what until you hit something that makes your audience's eyes light up like a heroin addict who just met Walter White. And stop telling me about your writing or YouTube course. Tell me how your course can help me build a business and quit my shitty job. Because it's not about your dumb course, it's about how much I hate that fucker Greg who always wants me to do the overtime.